Hello guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get this facial harmony filter on TikTok. So I'm in TikTok camera. For this effect, go to the effect gallery. Okay, this is a trending filter now, so you will find here in the trending section. Tap on it and there you go, you got the filter. And if you're not getting the filter from here in trending section, so what you can do, you can go to discover, and here you can search for facial harmonization. Okay, and on the first row you will see the effect icon. Just tap on the effect icon and you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you will see the record button. You can tap there and you can access the filter from here also. Okay, likewise. And still if you are not getting the filter, then what you can do, you can, let me go back first. Okay, what you can do, you can visit this website, I'll give in the description box below. Here in this website you will see the filter icon. Just tap on the filter icon and you need to open this page with TikTok. Okay, and you will be directed to the effect page again. Now at the bottom of the screen, tap on this record button and there you go, you got the filter. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can get this facial harmonization filter on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.